if you want to power off your Samsung Galaxy S25, you have a couple of methods to do so. The first one is by going to quick settings. So on the right side of the phone, you need to swipe from the top towards the middle like this. Then over here in the top right corner, you have this power button that you can press in order to open the power menu. And now you can press power off and then once again tap on power off to turn it off. Now the other way to show the power menu and turn off your device is by using the power button and volume down button. So you need to press and hold both of these buttons for like 2 seconds until you see the power menu, and then you can press the power off button again in order to turn it off. And if you don't have any assistant assigned to the power button, then in that case you can just press and hold the power button instead of using power button and volume down button, but that is only if the power menu is actually assigned to the power button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!